Hey, I'm Chris with Mobility Solutions, AffordableMedicalUSA.com. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the brand new BuzzAbout Power wheelchair by Golden Technologies, model GP164. Cut these yellow tabs. This is an optional delivery. It can come in this box, be on a pallet, or they can do a white glove delivery where one of our representatives or contractors would bring it out to you, set it up. It is an extra fee and it could delay the time getting to you. As you open this box, as you'll see inside, it's packaged very well. Remove this packaging, save it if you like. What I usually do is cut it if we have too much to save, because it will add up. But it's a really nice package. You'll find a flag. They'll have a zip tie on it. Just remove that. I lost my nice knife, so just remove this with a scissors, but be careful. You will find your manual. Your manual will have your charger, your seat belt, and some things that you will need. So we'll unbox this also. You'll find your headrest for your chair. This is going to have a high back chair. We are looking to a stadium style chair. It's a little bit easier to transport. The seat with the armrests and the headrests and the joystick is going to be 35 pounds, which is the heaviest piece on this unit. But the armrest, the joystick, can also be removed to make it 29 pounds. We're going to unbox all this. I'm just going to show you how it comes out. So it's all wrapped. This is the arms. You got one left, one right. This is your joystick. It's all packaged up. We're going to remove and then show you all that. This is going to be your shroud. So it's going to come red, but it can be changed to blue. If you want a different color, we can provide that to you. We can do green, pink, silver, gold. Just let us know. Remove the seat. Will come out. This seat is 29 pounds with no armrest on it. It's a high back seat. It is a little bit firm. You might need a cushion, but it is a firm seat. It is a nice seat, but it is firm. It's 29 pounds. It does have a swivel. This cap will be removed, and you want to back these out a little bit. Actually, you got to back it all the way out if you're going to put the seat belt on. So we'll go ahead and back those out real quick on each side. Just take them completely out. On here's your accessory for oxygen, bag, basket, whatever you need back here. Cane holder. This would be removed, and you pull this plastic piece off, and it slides right into there. Check out our review video on this chair. This is the unboxing. Getting into it, again, it's packaged very nicely. Come in here and you'll see this awesome chair. They did a great job with this unit. We're very happy, and very happy to be one of the first ones that has it in the whole country. We are an honored dealer, flagship dealer. We get opportunities for stuff like this because we do a lot of Golden products. Here's your battery pack. This battery pack's about 30 pounds with the AGM batteries. This is a light switch, and we'll show you that in a little bit. You also have a charging station right back here to plug your charger up. So if you wanted to leave this at your mountain house, your beach house, or in your car, you can carry this inside and charge it up and not have to bring the whole chair inside. It's a very big, very nice thing to have. 2 charging ports. There's a lot of reasons for it. The next thing is going to be your power chair. You can either do this one or 2 ways. For me, I'm going to lift this, take this apart. For you, you can take all these out, at least on this back side, and take a sharp razor blade and cut down the edges on both sides, and this will lay out. Then you can roll this unit out. It's going to be in a locked mode, so you have to release the freewheels, and they'll be down here at the bottom. I don't know if you can see it. Below the back, there's 2 levers to release if you're going to roll it out. For me, this total weight right now, if you have 2 people, is about 60 something pounds, which is kind of heavy for some people. There is a nice handle here. If you take the battery out, it's better. I'm going to release the front from the back and slowly bring it up. This is probably 29 pounds. It's not very heavy. There's a lot of handles to grab it. It's extremely nice. And then we'll cut that off. 6-inch casters on the front. Come back to the back. Don't yank this up, pull it up. This is your back half. So this just comes right out. And if you're buying a unit to take apart and put in the car, you should be able to handle that. And it just connects right back. With Freewheel, if you're going to roll this out the cut box, these are the levers that have to be pushed down. This will allow the unit to roll, but we'll give you a fault code if it's in this position when you try to use it. You have 2 on each side. You have 2 motors. So make sure these are always up if you want to use it so it doesn't move. Right here's a light at the back. This is also your disconnection handle to disconnect the unit. To connect the unit, you'll see this and that. And you just bring it down. This is on the outside, on both sides, and then it'll latch. One thing you need to know, you'll see this in there, it's important. It says, please remove the battery seal sticker. The sticker is right here on the battery. Remove that or it will not work. Again, Golden's done a great job right here. System diagnostics and troubleshooting guidelines of flash codes of what the joystick will do if there's an issue with the unit. And over here is some operation safety tips and additional safety tips that is right here. This is nice to have, so if you don't have your manual, you have it here. You'll see that there's adjustable seat posts for different heights. Check out the specs, and we do have a review video coming. This can go up and down. I'm not sure if it's at the lowest or the highest at the moment, but it can be done. Right here, you'll see this is stickered. I would take your time with this because what this is that you'll really like, you saw there's a light back there. This is your new front LED light on the footplate. That is awesome. You will use sometimes at night. This is a big thing. This footplate's extremely nice. It goes up and down. There's not much adjustments besides the angle with adjusting a little knob down in there. You still have your anti-tippers if you need to roll it around. Nice tires. They took the Buzz EX, cut it in half. That's some nice tires. 2.5-inch ground clearance, extremely nice. We'll show you how the seat goes on real quick. So here's your seat, and if you're going to be using the seat belt, you want to lay that out first. And this comes over like this. And then you'll take your right. If you're left-handed, this can be moved to the right side, to the other side. So here's your, this is one thing that's going to trick you, and it tricked me the first time and just tricked me again. This has to be pulled down. And all you do with this seat belt, you see that ring, is you will remove this whole thing and take that and put that right back in a little bit to get started, not too much. Then you can attach your arm right on and then lock this, tighten this back down. Repeat the process on the other side. Again, if you're using the seat belt, take this all the way out. If you're not going to use the seat belt, just bring it out enough to where there's nothing in the way to put your arm. And screw it back in evenly. And then take your arm, make sure it's not all the way in, drop it right on. And these are adjustable in width, the arms are. So that's your seat off, or seat put together beside your headrest. Swivel seat, take your headrest, drop it right on there. And real quick, not gonna get too much into accessories, but this has your accessory port. Loosen this out, accessories go in there. You also have a chart pocket, a little pad right back here. Adjustable seat or headrest. One thing I like to point out is charge this for a good 12 hours when you first get it. Here's your charger. It's a 24 volt, 3.5 amp charger. You want to make sure you tighten this up and remove it from here. On the unit, if you want to charge directly into the battery, you plug it right in to this port and then plug this into the wall. This light will be red when the charger's on. This light will be yellow when it's charging. When both lights are green, it's fully charged. Charge it up each night if you use it. You can also charge it direct to the joystick, same way. This is a link style joystick, so it has a calibration of a smooth surface to grass. It will change its calibrations, so it's pretty nice. And then you can put your seat on. So the seat, you don't need to touch that lever. You just want to get it right into the hole and lower it down. Even though I touched it, you don't want to mess with this too much. When we remove the seat, you just pull it straight up. Again, if you want to see how these are going to be up a little bit, your angle adjustment's right here. You would just need to loosen this up and lower this down, and that will get this at a 90. Right now it's up some, so that does need to be changed. Here's your joystick. It's just going to come right into here, and you're going to use this part that came in your manual, and you will put that right in, twist it, give it a little snug, bring it down, and then back here you'll find your wire. And then on the right side they have this little thing to kind of keep your wire in, and they don't have it on the other side, so you would just use like a zip tie, or maybe not a zip tie because you have to remove this. So you just have to kind of put this wire, you'll have extra wire if you're on the left hand side. Just figure out a place to put it at. If you can't get this in, again, just loosen this, bring it out some, attach it, remove it, you push this button, attach it. Again, this is your light button right here. On here real quick is your on and off. Be soft with this button. Faster towards the green, here's your battery indicator. Slower towards the red. Horn, forward, back, left, right. And then you have a swivel seat. And you can adjust the arms. So that's how you unbox the GP164 by Golden Technologies. We really like this unit. If you have any questions, call us at 803-926-2224 or visit us online at BuzzAboutUSA.com. That's a direct pointer to this chair, or AffordableMedicalUSA.com. Again.